is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett with Forex Executives, and this is the weekly Forex technical analysis review. And this week, man, I'm gonna be touching on the Great British Pound USD. Last week I talked about, GJ, and a lot of you guys like that video. Y'all like the fact that I broke it down all the way down from the monthly all the way down to the H4. So I'm gonna be doing that moving forward, and I may be just picking one pair or two pairs depending on the week. So this pair, I'm just talking about GU. So let's just break this thing down. All right. So as of right now, okay, this is the monthly chart right here, and this is the monthly candle that's forming that will be closing tomorrow. Okay, and we getting a nice bearish pin bar right here on the monthly, and that's giving me my direction for next month. All right, so if we just go back, we got a nice bearish engulfing 2 months ago. All right, and now this month we got us a nice bearish pin bar that's forming right here. So that's kind of giving me my direction for next month. I'm gonna be looking to take this thing short again next month. All right, so let's just break this thing down to the weekly. All right, last week we got us a nice bearish, another bearish engulfing candle right here, right off of our trend line. I was actually in this trade. I jumped in, caught a nice 110 pips on this trade, so there was a phenomenal trade on my part. So I'm looking to just recap. I mean, kind of do this thing once again this week, all right, and catch this thing short. You can see that the market is pulling back right now, and that's what I want to see. I want to see the market start to pull back at the beginning of the week and give us, start to create that wick for this weekly candle. All right, so let's just drop down to the H4, to the daily, and let's see what's going on. Let's get a clearer picture. All right, so you can see that the market, like I said, it did finally push down and break this low. Okay, so the market did push down, and now I'm looking for the market to pull back into this zone. We're getting a nice pullback right now, so I'm looking for the market to pull back into this zone, possibly retest this trend line, and then give me some bearish play to take this thing all the way down to these recent low, or all the way down to my daily take profit at 1.2820. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys something. Right, you can see that the market was testing this low. Okay, one time, two times, three times. All right, three times the market came down to this low and got rejected. All right, and we finally get this break of this low, and you guys hear it on all my videos. Once an area of structure is broken, the market has to pull back and retest this area. So that's what's happening right now. And so like I said, I'm going to just be patient. I'm going to wait for the market to pull all the way back up to this area, this 1.2980 area. And I'm going to be looking for a bearish engulfing or bearish pin bar on an H1 or H4 to get into this market and take this thing all the way down to the recent low, like I say. But I got an idea that this thing is going to go even lower all the way down to 1.2820. All right, so I'll be keeping my eye on this as well. Okay, so let's just drop down to the H4. Let's see what's going on the H4. Okay, like I say, the market is pushing back, pushing back, pushing back. So once the market, I got an alert set. So once the market hit 1.2970, I got an alert at 1.2970. So I'm looking for, as soon as the market hit this area, I'm gonna be looking for a bearish engulfing. That would be perfect. But I want the market to pull all the way back to 1.3 even. All right. And I wanted to retest this trend line right here, because as you can see in the past, we had the market tested this trend line multiple times. Here, 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 here. All right, so I'm looking for the market to retest this trend line one more time in this area, give me a nice bearish engulfing. That'll be another confluence, and I can take this thing short. All right, so hypothetically, all right, let's say we jump into this trade, the market push all the way up to this area. Okay, say this happened, right? Then it's going to be a nice 7-to-1, risking 25 pips to get 178 pips. All right, those are the risk to rewards that I like to look for. But it's all about being patient. It's all about letting the trade come to you and sitting back kind of like a sniper, man, and just waiting for the perfect opportunity to jump into the market. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I think that this could potentially be a phenomenal trade. So I'm gonna just be waiting for the market to continue to pull back into this area. Once my alert lets me know that price is in this area, I'm gonna be locked in, waiting on a bearish engulfing or a bearish rejection candle, either on the H4 or the H1. Okay. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this video, man. Thank you so much, for reaching out to me on Instagram, leaving the comments. And also, man, I want to thank you guys. We just hit over 100 subscribers on this channel. I know this is a small number, but I greatly appreciate it. That was one of the first milestones for this channel. So I'm just fired up, man, and I want to keep on pumping out good content. Keep on leaving me the good feedback. Keep on, giving me suggestions and stuff like that. And like I said, man, I'm going to get a little bit more personal on this video, tell you guys about my journey and, how I got to the point where I'm at right now as far as being consistent in the markets. And, all the trials and tribulations that come with trading, man. So, if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also, I'll leave my Instagram in the description below. And thank you guys once again for subscribing. Thank you guys for, just taking the time to watch the videos. That mean a lot to me. And if you know any trader, any up and coming trader that can benefit from this information, please pass the video along to them and anybody that you think it'll help, man. And all I'm trying to do is just really build a community. It's not about the flash, and it's not about making a gang of money and nothing like that. It's all about just the information that come with trading and the real pitfalls that people fall into, like myself. I've been on this journey for almost 4 years, and I've seen a lot of ups and downs in this market. So this is one thing that I just want to elaborate. I want to talk more about the ups and downs and not just technical analysis. But once again, if you guys did receive any value from this video, smash that subscribe button, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And until next time, y'all have a blessed week. Let's murder the markets. I'll see y'all next time. Let's get it.